we hit that scenic overlook yet?
No, but it did say it was still this way, so I figured it might be a little further ahead.
Oh, it looks like the road's starting to go up too, so.
Another sign up here. Alright, scenic overlook to the right, mammoth to the left, so, and this looks kind of cool to the left, so maybe we'll come back, we'll see what we're dealing with.
Sounds good.
Scenic overlook. Couldn't ask for a better spot for a little lunch, huh? Oh, to the left, I see a sign.
Yeah, because the other one goes down.
And you got a goat man over here. Don't miss that. You see that?
Oh my God. I can ever do Wharton ever again.
Yeah, I know, it's such a downgrade.
I'm thinking left.
You got anything on your map that would show?
Hold on one.
It looks like 123 to our right and 124 to our left. That's just what I'm seeing.
Looks like they all join up down the road though. So either one.
Alright, well, if it...
Go right.
More than right, so I guess maybe we'll go left?
Alright, let's go left. It does seem to go up, so...
We're explorers now, Dad. We're making our ancestors proud. Oh, but I see another sign here that might be scenic overlook.
Gotta remember, one of our descendants was Rob Roy. He was a thief and an explorer.
So you think we should steal some signs or something?
Who knows?
Yeah, that sign said scenic overlook, so we're...
I see it. How doesn't everybody get into this?
Yeah, I don't know. That's a good question. I mean, I guess people are afraid of, you know, people that baby their cars or whatever.
You're only living once, and shit costs money. What are you gonna do?
Ah, fucking A. I hear you. You don't gotta tell me.
Well, I know that because you're in front of me.
I was surprised when I first started wheeling, though, that I could have fun while going slow, not fast, you know?
And it's funny because it makes you take in the sights while you're driving like this.
I always say that about golf, too. Like, you know, even if you're having a bad day at golf, you're still surrounded by nice sight. It's almost like a form of meditation, you know?
Oh, remind me, Kathy wanted me to ask you about doing a trip to Virginia.
Like what we did last time?
Just the 5 of us, or 6 of us, I should say.
You mean this year?
We want to go to Natural Bridge again. She wants to show Kathy the baby and all that, the park, and me and you can go to some of the trails that are over in Virginia.
Yeah, I'm definitely interested. Yeah, definitely let me know.
We set no time.
We'll look to your right, Dad.
This ain't the scenic overlook, is it? No, I'd say it's up higher. Wow, look at that. We're going up now.
This is a nice one right here.
All right, I'm gonna put mine in low.
Join the party? Yeah, you're going fast over these, that's for sure. Let me, don't start coming yet. Let me get pull up a little further and I'll get some of you on my phone.
Okie dokie.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
You ready?
No, one sec.
I'm loving it. This is awesome! Awesome.
Fucking piece of cake, right? This thing's a beast.
It fucking walked right up it. Oh, I see some big rocks. Maybe we can get some flex shots off them rocks.
Those guys right there?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Sounds good. I hit something on the when I was trying to clip my walkie-talkie.
Check.
Alright, we're good.
You probably held the key in.
I was trying to like pin it and I was hitting all the buttons.
Yeah, if you hold it in, if you hit the call button.
Yeah, no, but then when I was trying to pin it into my pants, I was hitting all these buttons, so I just want to make sure.